Okay. So, yeah, you did very well with this. This is going to be a to the 2/3 minus 2 multiplied by a plus b to the 2 minus 5 multiplied by, and I'll just keep this as 1 over b to the 4th because that's what people did. Okay? So, well, 2/3 minus 2 is negative 4/3. Got that. Very good. And this is a plus b to the negative 3rd. And this is 1 over b to the 4th, right?
Right.
So now we have to decide what form we're going to use. We're going to do it with no denominators, or we're going to do it with no negative numbers. Okay? Well, I said no negative numbers, no negative exponents. Well, I can't decide, so we'll do with both. Now, which is easier? Putting it into the form with no denominators or into the form with no negative exponents?
I think with the no negative exponents.
Okay, I'd go with no denominators because you got 2 of them that don't have denominators. This is the only one with denominators. So I think the easier would be that.
Okay.
Now, it's totally your choice because it's not hard to do it the other way, and you see how to do that, obviously, because that's the way you chose. But just to, you know, for the sake of the video, I'm going to say right?
Right.
So that's no negative exponents. Or one over a to the 4/3 times 1 over a plus b cubed, right? Times 1 over b to the 4th. And that just equals then 1 over, putting it in the alphabetical order or whatever, we'll just kind of keep it the way it is. A to the 4/3 times a plus b cubed times b to the 4th. Okay? Now I don't really need the parentheses around b to the 4th, but since I've got parentheses here, I chose to put them here because it makes it a little more clear.
Yeah.
But if I didn't have the parentheses, it would still be correct in this case.
Okay. Yeah, because that's what I was going to do, but like it didn't look right to me where it was all so together.
Yeah.
So I wasn't sure.
So, same as. And actually, we could do b to the 4th times a plus b cubed. There are many forms you could put it in, but nobody who's not being really picky, and there might be reasons to be really picky, and you know, your instructor might be a little pickier than I am.
Yeah.
She knows what she's doing. She's a good instructor. You like her. Would maybe want you to put it alphabetical like this or something, but you know, this would be totally acceptable to me. This would be totally acceptable to me.
Okay.
And then changing the order of these terms, as long as you don't mess around with putting a cube inside of here. Okay?
All right.
Now there is another thing you could do. You could expand a plus b to the 3rd. You get a to the 3rd plus a squared, 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed.
Right.
Using the distributive law a whole bunch of times.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we're not going to do that, but you could.
Yeah.
Okay? And there might be cases where you would want to do that, but usually you want things to be in factored form because it shows you the structure of the expression. Now you won't totally understand what I mean by that, but I'll just say, when it can be put into factored form, put it into factored form. Don't expand it
Okay.
unless you're asked to. Okay?
All right.
There are exceptions to that. And like in a numerator, a lot of times you would want to expand it, but that's, Worry about that in your pre-calculus course. Just get the techniques down here, because that's what we're trying to build. Okay?